Now, if your mental health isn't a good enough reason for you to go out and buy a motorcycle, then I don't know what is. This morning I was planned to go to Riders in Bridgwater and take out a few of their bikes, and I'm not gonna lie, kind of wasn't feeling up for it. I was having one of my self-doubt moments where I question the channel, question my effort, question the output, and just overall questioning myself. But I still went, I got all the gear, got all the camera gear, got my gear on, and I went out. And then I'm there taking out the Ducati Street Fighter V4S. I've pulled over to do my walk around. The sun is shining, blue skies, cracked open a nice can of cold Monster, and then it just hit me that I was happy again. Like, being out on my bike, being out on other bikes, doing my demo rides, it's like my happy place. Yeah, sometimes I have that dreaded feeling of going and doing it, but actually when I'm there and I'm doing it, it all just makes sense, and it reminds me why I'm doing this channel. Because I love riding bikes, I love riding other people's bikes, but I also enjoy the film inside and the interaction, connection, I suppose, that I get with you guys when I make the videos. And I'm gonna put out a special mention to Zoe, because without her doing the job she does, it wouldn't allow me to work part-time and do YouTube part-time. Like, I'd have to work full-time like most other small content creators out there. A lot of us don't have the capacity to do it full-time, and we don't get paid enough from YouTube or anything that we make to do it full-time. And so yeah, without her I wouldn't be out there doing this. She's always my biggest advocate. She's always bigging me up, reminding me of the successes that I've had with the channel, the connections I've made with other riders, especially people like Mark, with the companies that I've worked with. Like, I'm there putting my camera gear into my Lone Rider bags that actually, without the channel and without the effort that I've put in, I wouldn't have the Lone Rider bags, because I wouldn't have made that connection with the company, and then they wouldn't want to send me their products. So yeah, this is just a reminder that actually, don't doubt yourself, keep going, keep plugging away, and it will happen. One day I will do this full time. In what capacity, I don't know, but that's where the exciting part comes into it. And hopefully one day, when I am doing it full time, I can make enough money, and then Zoe can take a step back from working, and she can go and find herself and see what it is she wants to do, because we were both in the army, we both had careers, we both want to do something different. So yeah, I hope one day I can give her the freedom to find it that she's given me. Because look, this is my job that I do part-time, but it's my job. If you want it, go and get it. It will happen. This is more just a reminder for myself, guys. So when I am feeling down or less positive on the outcome, I could just watch this back and remind myself, you enjoy it, you're good at it, you have fun doing it, don't stop. Well, self-motivational talk over. I'm off to go and edit the Street Fighter V4S video. See you on the next one.